Welcome to the Rusted Garden Homestead. I just wanted to show you an easy way to save seed, collect seeds of thin-walled peppers like your cayenne peppers. These are facing heavens. We have these back at our shop. Thai peppers, anything that has a thin wall. This is the easiest way to collect seeds, and you can get literally thousands of seeds that you can use in your garden, of course, or you can save some and sell them, you know, maybe at your plant sale. I just did a video on how you can make $1,000 selling plants at a plant yard sale if you want to check that out. But the process is pretty simple. Today's February 5th. When your first frost comes, that's about November here, and the pepper leaves die off, just harvest your plants. And you can see all the facing heaven peppers in there. You can set these in a shed somewhere dry, and you just let them dry out just like this. And eventually, nice red shell, dry, easy to get the seeds. You don't want to harvest, you know, pods that look like this or look like that. Peppers naturally turn red when they're fully mature. That's why you're waiting into November, October in your area so that you have mature peppers, and then you're going to be able to get some beautiful seeds. Let me show you how easy it is to collect these. So it does take some time to let them dry, but it's really worth it. So you just pop the top off. You can see all the seeds right in there, and you're just pouring them right into, you probably didn't see that because of my hand, but you're just pouring them right into a container. And you can collect all the pepper seeds you want using this method. Let me pick another one off of here. So you're just looking for something that's nice and dry. You want to do this after you've had sunny days. If it's going to be sunny, put them outside. The shells will get a little bit more crisp, and it's a lot easier. You even hear it pop. And you just pour the seeds in. If they're sticking in there a little bit, that's fine. You just open them up and then scrape out the seeds. These actually don't need to be dried. They can just be stored. Store them in something airtight. Keep them in your house. These are ready to go, and you can actually plant these immediately. So I hope this gives you some idea how you can, first of all, save money by collecting your own seeds. You can also collect seeds, sell them at your plant yard sale. Again, check out that video I just did. I'll put it in the video description. But save seeds this year. Have a plan, save some of your pepper seeds, and I'll be talking about how you can save all the seeds that are coming out of your garden. So next year in 2023, you don't have to spend any money on picking up seeds. Thanks for watching, and please check out my seed shop at therustedgarden.com.